Hi! Welcome to my channel. I'm Easy, your friendly professional makeup artist. This channel aims to help educate and empower aspiring makeup artists and makeup enthusiasts by sharing easy makeup theories and makeup lessons. In this tutorial, I'm going to help you how to make your lips big and appear fuller without overlining or using lip liner method. So if you want to learn more of this tutorial, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification to be updated on my next video, and don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. Let's begin. So number one, always before we do anything on our lips, make sure it's already prepped, meaning it's already been scrubbed, has already a lip balm or lip serum para in case that we are going to apply our lipsticks or lip liners, mas madali siyang mag-glide sa lips. Second, look straight at the mirror and assess always your lips. Okay? Kung ano yung dapat i-balance. If your lower lip is already fuller, then you have to concentrate on your upper lip and vice versa. But for the purpose of this video, let's say that you have a smaller lip, then I will show you how to do an illusion to make your small lip to appear bigger. Okay. First thing you do is get your concealer, and as you can see on my lip, I have a natural darkness on the corner of my mouth, so I have to cover this with a concealer. If in case na mas severe pa yung pagka sobrang brown or dark ng corner of your mouth, it's time for you to use the corrector and then concealer. Get a small lip brush and gently pat the concealer on the corner of your mouth kung saan kailangan ng darkness. Kailangan ng i-conceal. And then you blend with your finger or with your beauty sponge. This will help also the illusion that your lips are fuller because you've applied a lighter shade sa corner ng lips mo. Then, slightly set it with translucent powder. Next is, we are going to slightly contour our Cupid's bow and on the lower lip and slightly on the corner of your mouth to have that illusion of it's like a pouty, fuller lips. You have to use a small eyeshadow brush, any small brush that could pick up eyeshadow or contouring powder. So again, use a contouring powder which is a slight ashy or cool tone so that it will serve as it will act as a shadow. Lightly apply the contour powder on the upper part of the Cupid's bow. Do this ever so slightly. Blend upwards. Next is take your contouring powder and you're going to apply it on the bottom of your lower lid. Then slightly apply on the upper corner. So this is the result. I believe that you can see it clearly. It's like I have a fuller upper lip and lower lip, and at the same time, has the illusion of pouty. So for the lips, I'm going to use Sunny's Face in Baby Spice. And I'm going to use another local brand, the Lisay. I'm going to post the link on the description box where you could purchase the Lisay. I love this lip gloss. It's not too sticky. It has just right amount of gloss and para siyang watery type, which is I really love. Apply the clear lip gloss on the center of your lip to make it appear more fuller and bigger. So this is the end result of how to make your lips big without overlining your lips, without using a lip liner. So as you can see, kahit hindi ako gano'n mag-smile, no? Especially pag naka-rest ang face ko, you could see that it's pouty. It's just a matter of how you strategically highlight and contour the features of your face para you could achieve like this fuller lip. Before I end this video, I'd like to special mention Nika Love, who requested this tutorial. I hope this tutorial will help you to create your fuller lips. And guys, I would like to inform you also that I do one-on-one makeup tutorial lessons. You could reach me at my Facebook page, Easy Makeup Artist. I'm also accepting bridal booking. You just also search my Facebook page, Easy Makeup Artist. Don't forget to follow me on my social media account, guys. And please, if you learned something in this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share this to your friends, subscribe to my channel, help me to reach our goal. I would really so much appreciate all the love that I could get from you. Thank you so much for your support and for always watching my tutorials. God bless you. See you on the next one. Bye!